All right, so we have Vatsal with us on board, All India rank 423 in CLAT 2024. So, how is the feeling after achieving 423 rank?
Sir, it's like a really good feeling because throughout, for the past 2 years we have been studying. I have been studying entirely for CLAT. Last year prepared with 12th, but didn't secure a good rank. So this year, after preparing a lot and working hard, it's good that I got a seat in a top 5 NLU, so it feels really nice, totally satisfying.
Okay, so आपने जैसे last year एक बार पहले भी CLAT दे रखा आपने, उस समय आपका रैंक क्या था?
उस time I secured 1153.
1153. So you must have analyzed, you must have come across your weakest section that time also, and you must have realized कि इस बार मुझे किसी particular section पे I have to work on. So what was that section and how did you work on it?
Sir, actually last year, to be honest, there wasn't any single section जिसके अंदर I was too weak. My marks used to fluctuate in different sections at times, but during my CLAT exam I did really poor in the English section, which was like a scar. So I knew that I have to work on that section, and I got to know that my vocabulary is somewhat weak. So with the hindsight now, I worked on my vocabulary and different grammar topics and everything, and then I was pretty sure that this year that thing is not going to be repeated. So I was pretty confident with English, and other than that I knew that I just have to continue with what I did and just have to brush up my topics once again so that I can keep going basically.
Okay, great. So how did you find the environment of CLAT prep for this 1 year journey?
Sir, definitely CLAT prep ka environment it provides you with a really convivial environment to not just for studying. Even the classroom environment, if I talk, the teachers, if you interact with them, it is like a fun session more than studying, and you get to know the topics as well. And apart from that, to the admin department and everyone, they are always there to help you, and they make you feel comfortable enough that you can study with peace when you are here. So it was amazing.
The mocks you appeared here, you were scoring good, so you might have expected that you could have scored better. Maybe you were hoping for a better rank. So did you feel a little disappointed when your actual result came out?
No sir, actually the thing was I used to score nice यहाँ के mocks में, and I used to be somewhere around top 15 most of the times. So I expected my rank to be, when I didn't give CLAT, I expected my rank to be, if not anything, then a double-digit rank. But when I appeared for the exam and I saw the level of the exam, the idiosyncrasies of the consortium this year, I certainly knew that it is an easy paper, a really easy paper. किसी ने अगर 1 महीना भी पढ़ा है तो वो भी कर सकता है. तो somewhere I knew कि डेंसिटी रहेगी मार्क्स की. तो एंड मेरी गलतियों की वजह से मैंने 2 बबल्स भी गलत भर दी थी OMR के. सो आई वॉज प्रिटी श्योर कि आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ अ रैंक, बट आई जस्ट होप्ड उसके बाद कि एटलीस्ट एक टॉप 5 में सिक्योर कर लूँ. बैंगलोर वॉज नेवर माई गोल, बैंगलोर वॉज नॉट इवन इन माई प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट, सो दैट प्रेशर वॉज नेवर देयर फॉर मी. सो नाउ I think I could have done better if I wouldn't have, done that mistake of 2 bubbles. Maybe my rank would have been somewhere around 300, but still, I'm pretty satisfied that I'm getting a top 5 NLU. What more can I ask for?
Okay, great to know that. So, how did you fortify your strongest area?
Sir, before starting this year's preparation, I thought it is legal, but as I moved on, I got to know that CR can be my strongest section, because after your classes and the other faculties too, my doubts were pretty much cleared. I was thorough with the topics. So CR, I would say my strongest section it was, but though I scored more or less, sir, मेरे marks मतलब ऐसा था कि कभी legal में अच्छा आ गए तो कभी CR में चले गए. So I knew कि I can do all the sections, but just I had to do that in the paper too. So there was not a one particular strongest section. I was very confident about the GK because I studied like anything for that. But again, GK section was also really below par in this CLAT exam. So more or less.
How would you rate the quality of the study materials you were provided with?
Sir, definitely CLAT prep ka study material is the best in business, because it's not always about the difficulty level also, it's about the relevance of what material you are getting. Because I have practiced a lot of डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स टू इधर उधर के इंस्टीट्यूशंस के. सो हाँ, डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, बट जो रेलेवेंस रहता है कि क्लैट का पैटर्न एंड क्या पैसेजेस आपको हेल्प करेंगे, क्या चीज़ आपको बेसिकली बेनिफिट करेगी, क्लैट पे प्रोवाइड यू विद दैट in all of its material. So you get to touch with those certain things which will eventually help you in the main exam, CLAT exam, ALET exam, which eventually did to me too. So it's like, yeah, definitely it's the best material I can practice. I have practiced with 5 to different institution का material, so I can easily say कि कौन सा material best है. It's CLAT prep का material, definitely.
Chalo, thank you so much for the acknowledgement, Vatsal. What message would you like to convey to the students who would be appearing for CLAT next year?
Sir, I would say that marks जो आपके mocks में आते हैं, that is a different thing, but because we also know कि mock is not the end, तो मॉक्स में स्कोर करना इज गुड, बट द मेन सजेशन विच आई वुड लाइक टू गिव इज की रीड वाइडली, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो कि तुम्हारे पेपर में क्या होगा. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट अगले साल का पेपर इतना बुरा आएगा. पेपर अच्छा आएगा, 2023 का पेपर देख सकते हो तुम लोग. तो उसके अंदर रीड वाइडली, डोंट जस्ट स्टिक टू योर एडिटोरियल्स हिंदू के या फिर कोई भी न्यूज़पेपर के. रीड डिफरेंट नॉवेल्स, रीड मैगजीन्स, रीड डिफरेंट पोर्टल्स, जो भी वेराइट जॉनरे के. साइंस का पोर्टल पढ़ सकते हो तुम, लीगल के पोर्टल पढ़ सकते हो तुम, और एनवायरमेंट रिलेटेड पढ़ सकते हो. तो जो भी पढ़ सकते हो ना उसको पढ़ लो. इवन आई यूज टू, बिकॉज आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ क्रिकेट बट आई कुडंट वॉच इट लॉट ड्यूरिंग माई प्रिपरेशन. आई यूज टू रीड द कॉमेंट्री अ लॉट. उसके अंदर जो भी ऑनलाइन ऐप्स पे अवेलेबल होती है, पोस्ट मैच प्रेजेंटेशंस आई यूज टू रीड. तो दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प, बिकॉज समवेयर इट कनेक्ट्स टू, बेसिकली आपका दिमाग तैयार हो जाता है किसी भी टाइप के पैसेज को कॉम्प्रिहेंड कैसे करना है. So just read widely and stay chill, because it's not the end, of course, and if you focus on a process, you are going to make it. If you are going to think about the results from the very beginning, it's going to be hard. So just read widely as you can, and just stay in touch with your mentors, your teachers. They are, खुद का दिमाग भी लगाओ, but just follow them, and अपना आसपास का environment अच्छा रखो. जो तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं, they should be pushing you instead of pulling you down. They should be, yeah, like I am totally overwhelmed that the friends I have throughout my preparation, they never forced me to do anything which would affect my preparation in a negative sense. They always pushed me whenever I wanted, and they, even apart from the educational point of view, when you're preparing for a competitive exam, you need certain mental support, which our mentors provided us with every time I wanted my any kind of support, any kind of motivation I needed. So they get to know you, how a kind of a person you are, and they provide you with the motivation that you need. It can be a blunt push कि कर ले, it can be a sweet motivation at times कि हाँ हो जाएगा. So basically just stay in touch with your mentors. It will surely going to help.
So thank you so much, Vatsal. It was really nice having you on board and seeing you motivating the students of the next year for CLAT. I am sure that they would be taking away your key points and they would be implementing in their preparation as well.
Sir, just a second, sir. I had a question. Sir, you always ask everybody जिसका आप interview लेते हो, but what was your experience with me as a student? Because I used to speak a lot during the classes. I used to disturb you a lot. I used to, just ask a lot of questions sometimes which didn't even make sense. So what was your experience with me as a student?
देखो, my experience with you, if I would say personally, it was very overwhelming, because I always appreciate the students who come up with doubts, and whatever questions you were asking, it was not something which would make me feel offensive or which would disturb my class momentum, because eventually the ultimate objective was whatever doubts you have, even if it is the slightest of the doubt, my motive is to clear it. So whatever number of questions you have asked me, it is in one way helping me to improve myself only. क्योंकि जितने डाउट्स आप कैटर करते हो, जितने क्वेश्चंस को आप लेते हो, फैकल्टी उतना ही रिफाइन होता जाता है, बिकॉज हर एक स्टूडेंट्स के डाउट्स अलग अलग होते हैं, एंड एवरी डाउट मेक्स सेंस. कोई भी डाउट स्टूपिड नहीं होता, कोई भी डाउट बहुत बड़ा नहीं होता. डाउट्स आर डाउट्स फॉर मी. तो आप जो क्वेश्चंस की बात कर रहे हो, अगर आप क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो, आई वुड अप्रिशिएट ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स इन द कमिंग ईयर्स एज वेल, कि जितने भी क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं पूछो. यू आर ऑलवेज फ्री टू आस्क. मुझे अच्छा लगता है आप क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो. आप मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भी भेजते थे कई बार क्वेश्चंस का, तो वो भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है. आप मॉक्स के डाउट लेकर के आते हो कैबिन में, तो that is something which I would always cherish about. As a student and a teacher relationship, if you talk about, I had a very very, very cheerful and very lovely relationship with you.
Thank
I
you
would
so
always acknowledge you as as a student. I would always appreciate you, and I would love to have students like you.
Thank you so much.